Here at Cooper&Hunter, we take technical support seriously. Our specialized team will assist your needs in over 5 languages. Our offices are located in Florida, and we're available from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Learn more on our website, www.cooperandhunter.us, and download our technical support app by scanning one of these QR codes. Today, we are going to talk about some questions. Why is my indoor unit still running? Can I install the unit myself, or do I need a professional? Should I remove refrigerant if I make my line set shorter? Can the multi-zone units operate on different modes at once? What is the minimum requirement to be a multi-zone system? Light commercial wire thermostat setup and AHU. Why is my indoor unit still running? The air conditioning equipment is designed to maintain a comfortable and consistent indoor environment by continuously circulating the air in the room. This feature is integral to the operation of the equipment and cannot be disabled by the user. The energy efficiency rating of the equipment is based on the performance of the equipment with this feature enabled. Can I install the unit myself, or do I need a professional? To ensure the optimal performance and durability of your mini split system, it is essential that you have it installed by a qualified HVAC professional who has the necessary skills and experience. This will also enable you to benefit from the manufacturer's warranty, which is only valid for installations done by licensed HVAC professionals. Should I remove refrigerant if I make my line set shorter? The minimum charge of refrigerant is the amount that is necessary for the proper functioning of the unit. If the length of the line set that connects the indoor and outdoor units is shorter than the pre-charged length, you do not need to make any adjustments to the refrigerant charge. However, please ensure that your line set is not shorter than 10 to 15 feet for 1/4 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch line sets, or 15 to 20 feet for 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 of an inch line sets. These are the recommended minimum lengths for optimal performance and efficiency of the equipment. Can the multi-zone units operate on different modes at once? All the indoor units connected to the same outdoor unit need to be set to the same mode of operation. This is because the outdoor unit controls the refrigerant flow and temperature according to the mode selected by the user. You can choose from cool, heat, or dry modes, depending on your preference and comfort level. However, auto mode will not work with multi-zone systems, as it may cause conflicts and inefficiencies in the system. You can still set different temperatures within the same mode for each indoor unit, as long as they are within the allowable range for that mode. What is the minimum requirement to be a multi-zone system? For the multi-zone systems, there is a minimum requirement of 2 indoor units connected to the same outdoor unit, and the total capacity of the indoor units must be at least 66% of the total capacity of the outdoor unit. This is to ensure that the system can operate properly and maintain a balanced refrigerant flow and pressure. If the minimum requirement is not met, this will affect efficiency and may fail to provide adequate cooling or heating. Failure to do so will also damage the unit and void the warranty. Light commercial wire thermostat setup and AHU. For the light commercial thermostat setup and air handling unit, please refer to the manual that came with your equipment. The manual contains detailed instructions and diagrams on how to install, configure, and troubleshoot your equipment. You can also contact our customer service if you need further assistance or have any questions.